Yo, 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 what up, YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So we're back with another video, guys. So a lot of you guys been asking me, yo, how do you use Bluetooth headsets or your AirPods with the Nintendo Switch? Basically, it's no free way. You need to purchase one of these. What is it? It's basically this item right here, which I'm gonna show you guys right now. Boom, it's this right here. So this is a router piece. It uses technology that allow you to actually sit up here and be able to use the AirPods the way like you want to. It's not just also for AirPods, it's any Bluetooth device on top of that, which is something that I really like. So that being said, I can sync any Bluetooth headset. I can sync any AirPods. So like if you have one of the Samsung AirPods like that, you can actually use that to actually sync with it. So I said Samsung AirPods. Basically, the only thing is it has dual channels. It has an A part and a B part like that, so you can actually sync everything towards it. You can use Turtle Beach headsets as long as it's Bluetooth. If you have Steel Series headsets, you can use it like that. For it to get the low latency, which it has low latency, it basically needs the aptX. It's aptX LL also. Depending on the headsets, I don't think I have any headsets that's apt LX on top of it. I'm sorry, aptX on it. So we'll have to test it. But basically, this is what we're going to do right now. You take this out the packaging. Here's a little dongle. So you can actually plug this into your PlayStation right here, computer, your Xbox. I'm going to test it out on the Xbox to see if it works before I do another video on top of it. I do want to test this out on my PS4. So basically, the only thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to see what side it is. Oh yeah, on top of this, as you can see, there's an A and a B. And this allows you to sync two headphones to this. So you can put two devices to this and connect it towards it. That's one thing that I like. What I'm going to do is, I can connect my phone on top of it and have my earphones in towards it. So I want to see if I can be able to listen to music at the same time like that. So I think this might be another way to listen to music, talk on the phone, and use the AirPods on top of it if it's not synced. You can also connect it to your phones, everything like that. So basically what you want to do is pop this in. And I have a case on mine, which is right here. So I'm going to have to take the case off on here, which is not case friendly as I'm seeing. So give me a second, boys, while I take off my case. Okay. There we go. So we're going to pop it in. I want to put it on A. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn this on real quick. This was me doing another video. I was testing out a video on top of this. Okay, there we go. And it should pop up USB. As you can see right there, it says USB. So now it's ready for the AirPods to be synced up. So I'm just going to do this, which I need to clean my case because I was out hiking and I dropped this on the floor a couple of times. Sync it up. Waiting for my lights to flash. I'm not holding the button all the way. Give me a second while it's syncing up. There it goes, syncing. So we're going to do this. Channel A. Oh, I forgot to hold it. Channel A. There we go. There we go. It's synced. You see an orange light come on, and now that's synced. Boom. Let me take the AirPods out real quick. Put it in both ears real fast. And we're going to just... Oh, it works. No problem. I hear it. I hear it through my AirPods. Oh, snap. Now I want to check and see if there's any latency. This actually works perfectly. Now I've owned these pairs already, but a different version, and it's super low latency, so I don't hear any latency. But I'm testing it out on here, and I just want to basically see how it is. Look like Epic Games is down for right now. Alright, there is some latency. There is a little bit of latency with this one. As soon as I click it over, it's a second over. I want you guys to actually hear it coming through the AirPods. So here's the AirPods right here. I'm not completely sure where the microphone is at. But it's working with no problem. You know what I'm going to do? Since I have YouTube set up, let's go to YouTube, close that out. Do this real quick. And what I want to do is just look at a video really quick. And I want to see how much of a latency it is. Daddy easy. Let's see. I want to find somebody's mouth that's moving. Heart rate. Can't tell because it's a podcast. All right, let's see. Ooh. Oh, you know what? It's actually pretty good on here. The audio quality is really loud compared towards my other one I have. And the latency is super slow. I mean, there's really no latency on this. So it's pretty good. So I'm going to test this out on the PlayStation side. And we're going to see exactly how that is. And I'll catch you guys in a few. Alright. Peace.